Hey folks, I'm Captain Matchard. I'm the owner of the Hudson View River Cruises and Sunset Cruises. This video, we're going to take you all the way through our cruise as fast as we can so that you get a good idea of what's going on. We depart from two locations, the Troy Downtown Marina, and that's where we are today. And then we're going to go through a lock, or we can pick you up in Waterford Harbor and take off from there. So with any further ado, come on board and let's go.